A great time to program your subconscious mind is just before you go to sleep at night. At this time your brainwaves slow down to alpha and theta, and this helps to bypass your conscious mind. According to research, people can find their purpose in life by programming their subconscious mind just before they went to sleep. And even a way for people to program their subconscious mind to remember their dreams and even generate the dreams they wish. How to remember your dreams at night. The easiest way is to give your subconscious precise instructions while you are in a dream state just before you go to sleep at night. And the most effective way to do this is to go to bed an hour or so earlier than usual so that you are still fresh enough to effectively do this programming without drifting off from overtiredness. You simply instruct your subconscious as follows. I will wake up when I have a really important dream and I will remember it consciously. This message must be repeated over and over as you go to sleep, either mentally or softly to yourself. This can sometimes be quite hard to do as you may drift off halfway through your self-programming. You may achieve results the first time you try it, but usually it takes weeks or even months of practice. One helpful aid is to have your pen and paper ready by your bedside so that when you suddenly awaken with full memory of a dream you can quickly jot down the main details. This process tells your mind that you are serious about dream control and that your intent is to capture these dreams. That is, you are proving your intent. Your subconscious will soon wake up to the fact that you are very serious indeed about the process and eventually supply results that may sometimes leave you breathless. If you don't get it right the first time, keep practicing it. Your subconscious will soon get the message and do things your way. If you want to have a dream about a specific subject, then instruct your subconscious accordingly. This is only slightly harder to achieve than remembering random dreams. After you practice this procedure for a week or two, you may be quite pleasantly surprised to find that you can not only trigger dreams at will but actually remember the main details. When you get to the point when you can program up a dream that you want, you will usually find that it is presented to you in coded format. That is, it is not usually straightforward. The trick then is to analyze it correctly. The brain is based in physical reality and our dreams occupy the same space as the mind, that is, no space at all. The images that appear in dreams appear as forms in other realities and they are not restricted by our physical reality rules of time, space and growth. They involve the materialization of spontaneous constructions which would normally not occur in our physical world. During the dreaming state, your awareness is focused in another reality that is in every way as permanent and valid as the physical reality universe. The events in the dream reality are as meaningful as the events in your physical world and indeed are interrelated. One affects the other and vice versa. This is why it is possible, and extremely easy, to program up dreams which have an almost immediate effect in your physical universe. You can also call up dreams where you are wealthy, happy and surrounded by friends. This will eventually break through into your physical life and start to improve your personal situation. If you decide to evoke such a dream, then ask your subconscious to retain a full conscious memory of this event, so that you can dwell on it later and marvel at the freedoms you had. After you go to bed at night and are fully relaxed prior to sleep, say to yourself, over and over, I will have dreams tonight that will solve my problem of. Your problem might be one of an illness such as flu. In this case you would repeat over and over, I will have dreams tonight that will solve my flu problem and cure it. If your problem is one of unhappiness and discontent, you would repeat over and over, I will have dreams tonight that cure my unhappiness and make me feel happy and contented. If your problem is one of negativity, then you would repeat over and over, I will have dreams tonight that make me feel positive and contented. If your problem is one of a feeling of failure, then you would repeat over and over, I will have dreams tonight that make me feel successful and fearless. If your problem is one of a lack of confidence, then you would repeat over and over, I will have dreams tonight that make me feel confident and dynamic. Programming your mind while you are sleeping gives faster results in manifesting.